Do you know who a key player in this arena is? The network cabling specialist. Don't believe it? Follow me. Your network cabling specialist makes it possible for me to take a selfie, send it to my friends, and let them know that I'm here and they're not. Amazing.
Cell phone service courtesy of your network cabling specialist.
Your network cabling specialist makes it possible to turn on the lights in this building and light up the scoreboard every time I score. Scores! Is there any stopping this guy? Hey, buddy, this is my fantasy.
Scoreboard courtesy of your network cabling specialist.
Plus, when I'm stuck in the penalty box, I can catch scores from out of town. So this is where the magic happens. All thanks to your network cabling specialist.
A network cabling specialist installs the telecommunications highway where all your data travels. IBEW and partner contractors are leaders in the industry. Be part of a winning team with a career as a network cabling specialist.